Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. You can support the channel by becoming a member using the join button. In this video, we'll solve this problem using Pythagorean theorem. As per the problem, in the following diagram of a circle, O is the center and its radius is 12 centimeters. AB and EF are straight lines. Find the length of EF if the length of OP is 6 centimeters. Let's start by analyzing the given diagram. We have to find the length of EF. As per the problem, the radius of the circle is 12 centimeter. In the given diagram, line segment OE represents the radius of the circle. So this is 12 centimeter long. We are also given that OP is 6 centimeters. We have to find the length of EF. As we can see in this diagram, line segment EF is divided into two parts, EP and PF. So the length of line segment EF is equal to length of line segment EP plus length of line segment PF. We can find the length of EP and PF by analyzing triangles OPE and OPF. Let's start by analyzing triangle OPE. This is a right angle triangle because we are given that the angle at corner P is a right angle. In this triangle, we know the length of side OE, we know the length of side OP, so we can use Pythagorean theorem equation to find the length of EP. The Pythagorean theorem equation is a square plus b square equals c square. In this equation, c represents the length of the hypotenuse, the longest side in the right angle triangle. In triangle OPE, side OE is the longest side because this side is opposite to the right angle. A and B are the lengths of the other two sides. So A can be 6 and C is 12. We can use this equation to find the value of B, the length of EP. 6 square is 36. 12 square is 144. Next we can subtract 36 from both sides. 144 minus 36 is equal to 108. Next we can apply square root to both sides. I get B equals square root of 108. We can evaluate square root of 108 to find the value in decimal form. I get 10.4 rounded to 1 decimal place. And the unit is centimeters. Therefore, the length of EP is 10.4 centimeters. Next, we should analyze triangle OPF. To find the length of PF, triangle OPF is also a right angle triangle because line segment EF is a straight line. Therefore, the measure of angle P in triangle OPF should also be 90 degrees because adjacent angles on a straight line are supplementary angles or their sum is equal to 180 degrees. In triangle OPF, OF is the hypotenuse and its length is 12 centimeters, the radius of the circle. We can use Pythagorean theorem equation to find the length of PF. C is the length of hypotenuse, which is 12. We can sub in A as 6, the length of side OP, to find B, which is the length of PF. We'll get the same answer that we got for triangle OPE, square root of 108. The rounded answer is 10.4 and the unit is centimeters. Therefore, the length of PF is 10.4 centimeters. Now we can find the length of EF, which is equal to 10.4 plus 10.4, because the length of EP is 10.4 and the length of PF is 10.4. I get 20.8 and the unit is centimeters. This is the length of line segment EF. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.